Nice fish, Alex. First cast on the wacky Cinco. I saw him eat it. There's Alex's fish, guys. That's a 13, 14 incher on the wacky Cinco.
Nice fish, man.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
First cast.
Got one. Got smallie. Got smallie. Got smallie. He ate it. Oh, nice one. Good fish. What the heck? Nice one. Nice one. Dude, what the heck is wrong with his face? He's like black on half of his face. What the heck? All right, stop. All right, look at that. Look at that fish. What the heck? Is that mud or is that like part of him? That's part of him. He's just like. Dude, I saw him just come up and just blast it. Just blast it, dude. Nice fish. Another nice fish by Alex, guys. Just another just chunky fish. 3 fish out of 1 spot. We are tearing them up today. All right. We'll get right back to you guys with some more fish. That was fantastic. Got one. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh. Oh, it's a good one. It's a pretty good one. Look at that fish. That's the biggest one so far right there. That's a 14. Actually, that's a 15, 16, man. Look at that. It's a Mongo smallie right there, baby. Come on, babe. Come on. Come on. Come here. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Got 6-pound line on. That one. What the heck? That's a largemouth. That's a spotted bass. That's a spotted bass. Huh. That's different, guys.
They don't get too big here in Ohio. That's a good spotted bass or a bad spotted bass, but a little spot. Pretty crazy.
Well, guys, I don't know why I just stopped filming the recording, but caught another spotted bass in the next cast. Must be a school of them up there or something. I don't really know. Never fished for spotted bass before, so I don't know how they work. But yeah, spotted bass, guys. Get right back to you. What do you got, bub? Double hookup, baby! The double chub hookup! The double chub hookup, guys. We have the double chub hookup. We have the. Get back to you. You know why it's shot? Because I got a freaking shiner on. What's up, guys? Just caught a shiner. I'm disappointed. Thought a 10-pound carp in there and I caught a shiner, but that's okay. Still a fish, right? Not a 10-pound carp, though. I think it just spit that worm out of there. Oh, yeah, now it has a chub on. Forgot about that.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
walk down here. You can do right here.
Carp, guys. That's a 6 or 7 pound carp, guys. Really, really nice carp. Show your fish night crawlers for guys.
It's a big one, Jay.
Good fish. That's a big carp. 7 or 8 pound right there. Say, hop, carp, hop, carp. Hop, here, catch.